consisting of 5 units. So unit 1, so again segmented into 3 types, right? So first, introduction to war. So in this topic, one theory is compulsory, right? Like define operations research and what are the managerial applications of operations research, right? So the next part is LPP, linear programming problem, right? So in the LPP, so problems are very important one. The formation of LPP, right? And after that, graphical method. So in the graphical method, we have 2 types. That is minimization case, maximization case, unbounded and infeasible, right? So this is about unit 1, right? So in unit 1, compulsory one theory and one problem. So one theory from introduction to war, okay. So another problem for either LPP or else graphical method, right? So next, coming to syntax method in unit 2. In unit 2 again segmented into 3 types, right? The first one is syntax method, the second one is begin method, the last one is two-phase method. But you will concentrate on only syntax method. In syntax method, we have again 2 segmentations, that is maximization case and minimization case. The objective function should be maximized and objective function should be minimized, right? So now coming to unit 3, transportation problems and assignment problems. So in a transportation problem, we have 4 methods. That is first one, north-west coordination, right? NWCR. The second method, least cost method or matrix minimum method. Okay. So next is Hogan's approximation method, VAR. So next, MODI method, modified method or stepping stone method. Both are same, right? So in that, balanced and unbalanced. So in TP, so balanced means if at all the given demand is equals to supplies, that is balanced. If not, that is unbalanced, right? So next is assignment problem. In an assignment problem, again segmented into 4 methods. The first one is maximization method. In the problem itself, if at all profit, revenue, output, sales, these types of conditions are given, that is considered as maximization case. So now coming to minimization case, if at all cost, time, distance, these types of conditions are given, that is minimization case. Next is restricted, and last one is traveling salesman problem, TSP, right? So in unit 3, so 2 problems can be expected. There is no theory actually. The first problem can be expected in transportation problem. Okay, it might be NWCR, LCM, MAM or MODI. Okay, any method can be expected. So coming to AP, maximization, minimization, restricted and TSP. One problem, right? So coming to unit 4, network analysis. In the network analysis, we have again 3 methods. CPM, critical path model or method, the part project evolution and review technique, right? So your CPM is a deterministic and the part is probabilistic. So the difference between probabilistic and deterministic is here. The deterministic is nothing but time duration values are known values, right? So the part we need to determine the values of time duration values, okay, based on pessimistic, most likely and optimistic. Pessimistic is nothing but shortest values, okay, so and most likely is normal values and optimistic is longest values. So based on these 3 assumptions, we need to determine the values of time duration, right? Next is crash, right? So you need to concentrate on only CPM and part. Compulsory one problem can be expected, right? So next is unit 5. So in the unit 5 again segmented into 3 types. So that is game theory, simulation and queuing method, right? That's queuing theory. So in the game theory, so we have 4 methods: starting point method, right? So arithmetic method, dominance method or dominance principle, graphical method, right? So next is simulation, next queuing method, right? So in graphical method, in game theory, so first is siding point. Here siding point condition is if it all maximum equals to minimax. If condition is satisfied, that is siding point exists, right? If not, then go to mixed strategies, right? In the mixed strategy we have, so total number of methods are 3 methods, that is algebraic or arithmetic method, right? The given payoff matrix, it is in the form of 2 by 2, only 2 by 2. That means only 2 rows, 2 columns. If side equal does not exist, then go to A method. So next is dominance method or dominance principle. The same condition here, the payoff, given payoff matrices is about 2 by 2. Right? About 2 by 2 means it might be 3 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 4 by 5, so on, n by n format. Right? If side equal does not exist, that means maximum is not equals to minimax condition. Right? So after that, graphical method. So in a graphical method, the given payoff matrix is, it is in the form of rectangle shape. Right? So that means only 2 rows, n number of columns, or else only 2 columns, n number of rows. Right? So that is about graphical method. Next, simulation, queuing theory. In the queuing theory simulation, one theory can be expected. In the game theory, one problematic can be expected. So this is overview of operations research. Right? Is it clear?